This technology is still being developed, but it's already showing amazing results. In studies, people have been able to use mind speech to communicate. They imagine sentences in their heads, and the AI model translates those thoughts into text. This technology has incredible potential. It could help people who have lost the ability to speak. It could also be used for more natural communication with computers.
Section 4. Brain GPT, a glimpse into the future. Brain GPT is a theoretical app, but it's a fascinating glimpse into the future. The idea behind Brain GPT is to translate your thoughts into text. Imagine writing an email just by thinking it. This might sound like science fiction, but with the advancements in AI, it's becoming more realistic. We are getting better at reading brain signals, and our AI models are becoming more sophisticated. One potential application of Brain GPT is in neuromarketing. Companies could use it to understand consumer preferences. They could see how people react to different products and advertisements. This would provide invaluable insights into consumer behavior. Brain GPT is just one example of how AI could change the future. It shows the potential of mind-reading technology and raises exciting possibilities for the future.
Section 5. Ethical considerations and a world of possibilities. Telepathic AI is a revolutionary technology, but it also raises important ethical considerations. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. Our thoughts are our most private possessions. How can we ensure that they remain private when using mind-reading technology? Another concern is manipulation. Could this technology be used to influence our thoughts or actions? These are important questions that we need to address as we develop this technology.
Despite these concerns, the potential benefits of telepathic AI are enormous. Imagine a world where we can communicate effortlessly, where we can control devices with our minds, and where we can gain a deeper understanding of the human brain. This is the future that we are working towards. It's a future full of challenges and possibilities, but it's a future that is full of hope and excitement.